All right, the next one is called rabbit ears. We're gonna jump into this one. This one looks pretty fun. It looks like a rabbit with ears. So we're gonna have to shoot to the outside. Okay, familiarize. Remember, the first run is familiarization. Shoot to this outside, but now it's around everything. Okay, so that's pretty simple. So it's the inside cone, but then you have to go around it. Oh, I was about to go to the outside. See, that's why we familiarize ourselves. So I still made it. I was about to go to the outside cone, but I need to cut through that last cone. Okay, so 22.51. Okay, all right. So pretty simple then. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Warm up. Around this cone, around everything. In between these two cones right here, around this cone, and then I have to cut in around these two cones. There we go. Well, we get 16.9. Okay, that was a good warm up. Let's go ahead and do it for realsies. 3, 2, 1. Around this cone, around these cones, all these cones, in between these last two cones, turn it in, around this cone, look at the exit, go, 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 go. 16.24. I think that's better than last time.